Hey everyone, this is Chandni and welcome back to my channel. I hope you girls are doing great. So today's video is all about shower routine, how to smell really well, how to have that perfect shower routine to smell really well, how to have a really good and soft skin, how to make an impression as soon as you enter the room with your really pretty appearance, your fragrance. So when we think about taking a shower or a bath, we associate it with hygiene. So obviously it is about hygiene, but there are so many other meanings attached to it as well. For example, smelling really well makes you feel confident about yourself. It makes a really good impression as soon as you enter the room and you're smelling really well. All the tension is on you. And if you're in a social setting, you know you're making your impression just by your fragrance. You feel more put together, which also automatically makes you look more attractive and more confident about yourself. So if you girls are wondering how to have that perfect shower routine, how to smell really well on a daily basis or for a date or for a meeting or some other social setting, then this video is for you, my girls. So now let's get into the video, and before getting into the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And now let's get into the video. So the first step is the shower gel. I use this one from Bath & Body Works. It's from the aromatherapy collection and the flavor is called orange and ginger, and that is how it looks. You can obviously use any shower gel that you like, any fragrance that you prefer. A shower gel is the first step because after that your skin automatically feels really fresh, and if you're using a scented shower gel like me, it also leaves a really pleasant and beautiful fragrance. It moisturizes your skin so you have a really soft skin throughout the day. But the main purpose of a shower gel is to freshen you up, have a good fragrance throughout the day. So if you're using your favorite shower gel, you will obviously make your shower experience more fun and calming and soothing. Step number 2 to have a really good and soft skin but also smell really well side by side is to use a good scrub, and I have been using this one from Victoria's Secret. It's their Victoria's Secret Cocoa Vanilla Body Scrub, and that is how it looks. You can obviously use any scrub that you like, any fragrance that you like. You can open your Nykaa app, search for body scrubs, and you'll have multiple options. I personally like this one, so I've been using this one. But a body scrub is really very useful. It helps you in exfoliating your skin. It removes all your dead skin and it actually leaves a really soft and smooth skin. So if you guys are having really dry skin recently, try exfoliating your skin. Try using a body scrub to have a really soft and smooth skin. I think you can use a scrub once a week or twice a week. You will have the most perfect skin. A body scrub also improves your blood circulation, which means you will have really happy and healthy skin. That is a must. So after the body shower gel and body scrub, step number 3 is to apply your lotion. And I've been using this fragrance lotion from Victoria's Secret and the flavor is called Crush. So a good scented lotion actually lasts all day. You can obviously get any lotion that you like. I personally like this one. A good body lotion keeps the skin hydrated and moisturized throughout the day, and it also gives your skin a really good appearance. For example, if you're entering a room and your skin is glowing and it's all soft, I mean, people can obviously see that your skin's shining, you're glowing. It's not about people, but you yourself will feel that your skin is looking so good. You'll be more confident about your skin. But majorly it gives you a really good finishing and a really moisturized skin, leaving your skin looking really supple, smooth and soft. And for extra nourishment, I also suggest a body oil. I've been using this one from Victoria's Secret, which is the Bombshell Satin Body Oil. So I use this one when I'm going out, if I have some event to attend. And for daily use, I use the Baby Johnson one, the one which comes with the pink cap. So I really like that one, and I'll highly suggest that one to you girls. It's, I think, the best body oil for daily use. So the major work of a body oil is to give you extra nourishment. It gives this satiny look to your skin and it makes your skin super soft and super healthy, and we all love healthy skin, right? So after the lotion is done, the next step is the body mist, and I've been using this one from Victoria's Secret, which is the Victoria's Secret Tease. So a body mist should be applied after the shower before you wear your clothes. if you want it to stay for longer hours, and obviously you can apply it throughout the day again and again, but majorly if you want it to last for longer hours, it should be applied after the shower. A body mist is more lightweight, that is why you apply it immediately after the shower, and a body mist is a very quick and easy way to add a little bit of luxury to your mundane daily shower routines. So obviously you can get any mist that you like. I personally like this one. And the last step, which is also the sixth step, is to apply your perfume. I've been using this one from Dior. This is the Miss Dior Rose and Roses. I think your perfume or your taste in your fragrances tell your personal style. For example, if I love to apply floral fragrances, it reflects my personality. So I think having a really good signature scent is such a good way to tell your personality or express your personality. Also, it is such a good feeling when you're entering a room and you know that you're smelling like $1,000,000 right now. And I personally think smelling really good is such a big confident booster. Just imagine entering a room and you know that you're smelling really nice. It automatically creates such a good impression that you've put efforts to smell good. You've added efforts to look put together, to have this clean girl look. So it is such a good way to express yourself, express your personality. And yeah, I think this is it for today's video. I hope it helped you out, and I hope that you will have a really good shower routine and you'll smell like a snack. Save this video for your date or a meeting or any other special event. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram. My @ is Chandni Sharma. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.